Eat these seeds to fight joint inflammation all day. Joint pain can limit daily activities and reduce quality of life. Fortunately, simple dietary changes can help. Including specific seeds in your diet offers natural anti-inflammatory support, helping you stay active and mobile. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here are the top seeds to fight joint inflammation. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces joint inflammation. Their lignans provide antioxidant benefits, protecting joints from oxidative stress. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on oatmeal or blend into smoothies for easy intake. 2. Chia seeds. Tiny but powerful, chia seeds are packed with omega-3s and fiber. They help reduce systemic inflammation and support gut health, which is linked to better joint function. Add chia to puddings, yogurt, or energy bars. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc, magnesium, and manganese, essential minerals for cartilage health. Their antioxidants help minimize flare-ups and support overall joint function. Roast them for snacks or toss into salads. 4. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are loaded with lignans like sesamin and sesamol, which combat inflammation and protect cartilage. Sprinkle on vegetables, blend into tahini, or include in baked goods for joint support. 5. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds provide vitamin E, magnesium, and phenolic compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation around joints. Use them as a snack, salad topping, or in homemade granola. Incorporating these seeds to fight joint inflammation into your daily diet can ease discomfort and support long-term joint health. Small changes, like adding a handful of seeds to meals, provide natural, effective protection for joints, all day, every day. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.